Welcome to Tech Explained. Today, we're breaking down the Internet of Things, or IoT. Simply put, IoT refers to everyday objects like your smartwatch, thermostat, or even your fridge that are connected to the internet and each other. These devices collect and share data, making your life easier, safer, and more efficient. For example, imagine your alarm clock rings and your coffee maker automatically starts brewing. That's IoT in action. It works through sensors that collect data, connectivity to share it, and processing to take action. IoT isn't just for homes, it's transforming industries. In healthcare, devices monitor patients in real time. In agriculture, sensors optimize water and fertilizers. Even cities are using IoT for smart traffic systems to reduce congestion. But with great potential comes challenges like ensuring security and protecting your data privacy. Despite this, IoT is shaping the future with over 25 billion devices expected by 2030. So, next time your smart device makes life a little easier, remember, that's IoT at work. If this helped you understand IoT better, hit like and subscribe to Tech Explained. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.